Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and today's project we're going to use transfer paper, and the one we're going to use is Waterslide, and we're going to put it on a stainless steel mug. Transfer papers obviously are different than adhesive vinyl, which is printed on the back, and you put that onto hard surfaces. And it's also different from HTV, which you iron on with either a heat press or a home iron.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but if you like what you're watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to be notified of all new tutorials.
Waterslide is exactly what it says. This is a shiny transfer paper, and the image slides off and slides on to your substrate.
Here are the instructions to Waterslide Decal if you'd like to take a screenshot. To begin my project, I put the Waterslide Decal transfer paper watermarks down in my printer. And here we go. The first thing I do is clean my substrate with Windex. You can also use Awesome from the Dollar Tree or denatured alcohol, anything to get the fingerprints and grime off of the stainless steel mug. And next, I just cut out my image. In this case, because I'm using our clear Waterslide transfer paper, you won't be able to see the white around Santa once I slide it off the paper. So all I have to do is cut a square. I already have a bowl of water ready for the Waterslide, and it's just room temperature tap water. And now I'm going to take another look at my mug and make sure that my image is going to go on exactly opposite the Christmas tree. I'm going to clean that side off, and then after about 20 or 30 seconds, I'm going to leave that image in there so I can make sure that it's going to slide easily off the paper. I decide to go get a towel and put it on my counter, and that's going to make it easier for me to put my mug on. It just gives it a little bit of padding. Now I pick up my image and check to see if it's ready to slide off. If it isn't, let it stay in the water a little while longer and just keep checking it. Also, you want to put a little bit of water on your substrate. That's going to make it slide on to the substrate even easier. So now I'm just positioning it onto my mug. I take a few minutes here to make sure I've got it straight, just the way I want it. Once I have it positioned the way I like it, I pick up a clean, soft paper towel and just start burnishing it gently onto the mug. I do this very carefully in order not to rip or tear the delicate Waterslide paper.
Wait a minute, you're not quite done. Once you've finished putting it on your mug the way you like it, you're going to let it sit for at least 6 hours. Better is overnight. And then if you want to adhere that image even tighter, you can put it into a 360-degree oven for about 10 minutes. And with my Waterslide mugs, I prefer to hand wash them. I just think there's less chance of damaging the image. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, but I'm really interested in your comments. If you have questions, I'll answer them. I'd love to hear ideas of other videos you want to see. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks again, everyone.